Hope you are all doing good. This is third standard English class. Day 2 revision. We are going to write day 2 revision block 1 using am, is and are. See, these am, is and are the be verbs. These be verbs we can use to describe self and others. We can describe ourselves with am and we can describe other person with is and many people with are. Let me give you some examples. See here. First one, I am a student. See here, I am a student. This is describing self. We are describing ourselves. So, which word we have to use? Am. She is a girl. This is we are describing about other person. When singular person, when one person is there, we have to use is. They are children. See here, we are telling about many people. Then that time we have to use are. Not only these children, when we show an activity, some people are doing some actions, then that time we have to use these be verbs. Let me give you some examples, children. See, when we show an activity means what we are doing. When we are telling that we have to use these be verbs. See, I am watching. What I am doing? I am watching TV. She is reading. What she is doing, children? She is reading or he is playing, like that. The kids are playing. When plural is there, kids means many people. Then we have to use are. Okay? Not only this, children, when we want to know about someone or something, we can use these be verbs in a question form. See, what is your name? How old are you? Where are you going? Like that. Okay, now open your English classwork, children. Now you can write the bits which I am showing you in the video. After day 1 revision 4th bit, children, I think you have place. So, you can write down only. Draw the line here. Leave one line. Day 2 revision block 1 using am, comma, is and are. Write today's date, children, 13-3-2021. You can write this with red color pencil. After that, leave one line. First bit, circle the be verb in each sentence. Circle the be verb in each sentence. You have to circle the be verb. Sheila's clothes are dirty. See, children, when you are doing, try to read the sentence. Sheila's clothes are dirty. Here, what is the be verb, children? Are. So, you have to circle. Second one. The surface of the table is sticky. The surface of the table is sticky. Third one. I am the class monitor. I am the class monitor. Fourth one. The chips are salty. The chips are salty. Fifth one. The cake is delicious. The cake is delicious. So what you have to do, you have to circle the be verb. With that also you have to learn to read the sentence. Better if you learn the spellings also. Okay? Now after that, bit number 2, second bit. Complete the following sentences by writing is, comma, am or are in the blanks. First one, the weather dash pleasant today. The weather dash pleasant today. Second one, you dash in the basketball team too. Which is the correct one you have to write. Third one, Radha dash my best friend. Fourth one, I dash in the garden. Fifth one, we dash going to airport. Third bit. Fill in the blanks with is, am or are. Here there is one small paragraph. You have to fill the blanks with is, am or are, which suits. All the children in class dash smart, full stop. They dash very curious, full stop. Ram dash a brave boy, full stop. He dash, sorry, here one more dash is there. He dash a dancer too. I dash a painter. Full stop. It dash great to be with artists. Full stop. We dash lucky. Okay, children, you have to fill these blanks with the correct be verb is, am or are. Fourth one, Look at the picture given in page number 16 in Reader. Give each character's name and describe it in 5 to 6 sentences using is and are. See children, page number 16 in Reader. If you open your readers, you can see a picture in page number 16. This is the picture. You know what you have to do? You have to give a name for each character. You can give your friend's name or anything. Okay, whoever is there, you can give a name here. In the reader, you can write the name. But what you have to do in the classwork is, you have to describe this picture in 5 to 6 sentences. Okay, see for example. Just one sentence I will show you. Here see for example, for this girl I have given Neetu, Rita, Seema. So, what should I write children? Neetu, Rita and Seema are skipping. So that is the first sentence. Like that 5 to 6 sentences you can write. You can give the characters, you can give each character a name and describe the picture in 5 to 6 sentences using is and are. Okay children, here am won't come because you are giving the names to these pictures. Okay, I hope you all understood. Complete the day 2 revision children. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.